Hello everybody, welcome to our JayKay channel. Today I want to explain you our remote control and how it works together with the board. Our remote control has different modes and options, and to see them we go into the setting menu. For that we hold the ring for a second and we're into the setting. First of all you see the power setting, next is the speed, then we have light, cruise control, connect, calibration and exit. First of all, we want to go into the power setting. To do that, we simply click one time in the settings menu and we're in the power setting. So there's 3 different modes. That's weak, medium, strong. What that means is that it's all about the torque of the board. If you choose to go like a little bit slower and a little bit more cruisy, you choose weak. So the board starts off really slow. Medium is a little bit faster, and strong, of course, is really fast. That's all about the power setting. Now we want to have a look at the next setting, and that is speed. You have different speeds to choose where the board is not going faster than what you have chosen. First of all, you have 6 km/h, then 12, then 20, 25 and 30. And finally unlimited. Unlimited means that if you're going, let's say, downhill, the board doesn't regulate you to 30 km/h, so it can go faster than that. That's all about the speed, and the next setting we go in are the lights. In the light settings we have 3 options: all on, all off and heads off. So if you go for all on, that means that the indicator LEDs and the headlights are all turned on. If you go for all off, obviously all lights are turned off. And if you're on a secret mission, you just choose for heads off and nobody can see you while you're driving. That's all about the light menu. The next setting is the cruise control, here with 2 options, on and off. If it's turned on, you can hold your speed while driving while you click one time and the board is holding its speed. That's just working while you're accelerating. As soon as you're braking, the cruise control is automatically turned off. The next option in settings is connect, and herefore we have its own video where you can have a look at where you connect the board to the ring. Also a point in the settings is calibration. Here you calibrate the wheel on the ring. If you click on it, it says wheel up. So you take your thumb, press the wheel up and hold it till the ring says release wheel. So you're releasing it. The next thing is you have to push it down. You push it down, wait, release wheel, and it's saved. So now your remote is calibrated. Now you have seen the full capability of our remote. That's it from me. See you in the next video.